Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. And also I'll be posting all the latest job updates for both freshers and experienced on daily basis. So I would recommend you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get an immediate notification and thereby it will be easy for you to apply right away before it expires. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with two job openings from two top MNCs, that is Atos and KPIT, for all BE and BTech students of 2021 and 2022 passed outs for a package of 3.5 to 4 lakh per annum. So firstly let's discuss about Atos eligibility criteria. So if you can see here, all 2021 graduates can apply for this from Atos, and you should be of BE or BTech from branches Computer Science, Information Technology, ECE, EEE and Electronics Engineering. And MCA is also eligible, but you should be of from Computer Application branch. And you should have a minimum of 60% of aggregate from your 10th to highest qualification. And you should not have any active backlogs while applying for this. And in case you have 1 year break throughout your education, even that is accepted. And the good thing here is drive location is online, so all the 3 rounds like aptitude test, technical interview and HR discussion will be conducted online. And although the requirements is like you should have a good communication skills and you should be flexible to work in any shift, that might be either morning, afternoon, night, so it can be a 24/7. Also it can be a general shift. And once you are hired, you might get posted in either Pune or Mumbai or Chennai or Tirunelveli. So they have not mentioned any other job description. They have just given a good communication skills here. So just give it a try. So all 2022 passed outs are eligible to apply for this. So if you match up with this eligibility criteria, just apply it as soon as possible before it expires, and I'll also provide you link in the description. So coming to a second job opening, that is from KPIT. So all BE and BTech students can apply for this, that is for KPIT job, and your position would be trainee, but you should be of 2022 passed out. For Atos you should be of 2021, and for KPIT you should be of 2022 passed out batch. And once you are hired, you would be given a 4 lakh per annum package. And I have not discussed about the package for Atos. For Atos it is 3.5 and for KPIT it is 4 lakh per annum. So coming to academic qualification, so you should be from any of these 3 tracks. That means in 10th, even though you have a total of 60% of aggregate, but you should have maths 70%, and 12th total 60% is enough, but maths 70% and English 50% of marks you should have. And in BTech you should have 60% of aggregate, and even if you are from diploma you should have total 60%. So you should be from any of these 3 tracks, and graduation year is only for 2022. And from these branches like computer science, business studies, CSE, IT, electrical engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electronics and telecom engineering, electronics and communication, electronics and computer science engineering, and instrumentation engineering. So all BE and BTech students from all these branches are eligible to apply for this. And you should have a good knowledge in C, C++, MATLAB or Python, and you should have knowledge on microprocessor and microcontrollers also. So upon joining you would be given a 4 lakh per annum, and you should also sign a 2-year service bond, which is very common in all the IT companies. And one more good thing here is that they're going to provide a medical insurance of 6 lakhs per annum, out of which like parental health insurance would be 5 lakhs and also accident insurance would be a 20 lakhs per annum. This is actually a very good insurance package offered for this 4 lakh CTC. So this is a very quick information about both the job openings from KPIT and Atos. So if you match up with this eligibility criteria, just apply it as soon as possible before it expires. I will provide you link in the description. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs from some other reputed companies that are posted in our channel. So please do check that as well. You can check all the links in the description. And also, if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.